In this video, I'm going to show you how to send attachments through email through Skyward to both students and parents. So the first thing that you want to do is, whatever you're sending out, you need to make sure that it has a URL. So you want to create it in Google Slides or Google Docs. So I have a Google Doc here, and it's Classroom Procedures and Expectations. I want to make sure that my settings are that anyone with the link can view. So anyone with the link has access, and save that. Then the next thing we want to do is go up here and we want to make sure that they cannot edit what I am sending out. So we're going to delete edit all the way to that / and then we're going to type template / preview. Now, once you have done that, I'm going to copy this link and I will go over here and show you what it will look like when they click on the link. So you can see they can view the document, but they cannot edit that document. So now that I've copied that link, I'm going to go into Skyward, and under Teacher Access, I'm going to click on My Classes. Now, I only have one class, and you'll have multiple classes, and so on the far right, you will see Class Options, and you're going to click on Class Options, and you can choose it for any class. Once you've gotten to this screen for Class Options, you're going to go over here to Message Center. Now, you have a couple of options. You can choose add a message for multiple classes. So if you're sending out something that needs to go to all of your classes, then you'd want to choose this option. The other option is to add a message for current class. So if this is something that you maybe have a 7th grade class and an 8th grade class, and what you're sending out is different, then you would want to choose add message for current class. So once you've made your choice, then it gives you a place for you to enter your message summary and your message detail. So classroom procedures and expectations. And then in the detail, you could give more detail. Okay, now over here, I am going to drop down and click on Add a Link, and then I'm going to paste that URL that we copied and click OK. So now here's the link that they will click on. Under Posting Options, we're going to choose Post for students currently enrolled in selected classes. It's going to post to family access and to student access. You can choose whether or not you want to allow parents and students to respond to this message. If this is checked marked, that means they can respond to you straight through Skyward. If you would prefer that they email you, then you're going to want to deselect that. You can also change whatever posting date you want. So if you want this to post in a couple of days, then you can choose that. Down here under emailing options, we're going to choose send as email because we want this to post in the announcements when they first log on, which is up here, but we also want to send it out as an email. So we want it to post on the 26th, and we also want it to email out on the 26th. So I'm going to change that, and I can also choose whatever time I want that to send out. So maybe I want it to send out right at the beginning of school, so 8:45 in the morning. And it's going to come from my email address. Again, you want to choose only send email for students currently enrolled in selected classes. You're also going to want to choose to send it email to students and to their guardians. You want the parents and the students to receive the same email. Now down here, you will see all of your classes listed, so you can choose post to all classes, or you can choose the individual or multiple classes you want to send it to. Once you've done that, you're going to come up here and you're going to click Save. Now you can see that I have this message going out, and the post date will be the 26th. Now, If I've made a mistake and I want to pull that message back, I can recall that message. So right now it says under recalled no, so this message will be posted on the 26th. Now if I want to recall it, then I'm going to select that message, and over here I'm going to click recall. Are you sure you want to recall it? Yes, I no longer want it posted. So now you can see that it has been recalled, and I can go in, fix whatever I messed up, and then send it out again.